up mga kabisi? It is yours DJ Heartbeat. Here to give real talk and love advice. Welcome to Heart Talk with DJ Heartbeat. Senior letters and I help you out. Let's start the night with a letter from Heartbroken Baby. Dear DJ Heartbeat, I'm 25. It's just win through a painful breakup. 5 years ni sa akong uyab. I thought he was my forever. Pero one day, he broke up with me through text. No clear reason, and he blocked me. So I let go or fight for him, even if siya na ang nag-surrender. Love, broken baby. Take your time, heartbroken babe. Kay if you need to, but love yourself first. To everyone listening, share your advice for here and keep spreading love and positively. This is DJ Heartbeat, always here for you. DJ Broken Babe, salamat sa pag-share. Sakit yun na, but let me tell you this. Love should be mutual. If he's blocked you and giving no explanation, it is clear wala na siya respeto. Closer does always come from the other person. Ikaw mismo ang mag-decides to move on. Never lower your self-respect para sa tao nga dili na willing we stay. Focus in yourself, heal, and reminder the right love will find you when you're ready.